In Pixlr Designer, you can also open out files directly from your computer. So over here, you can see that I am in the home page of Pixlr Designer. So if I were to go around and click on open file right here, then it opens out my Explorer window, as you can see, where I can go around and select out an image of my choice, and I can simply go around and click on open. So I can go around and add this to a current project or create a new project entirely just like this. In my case, I created a new project, and you can see that this is what you have right here. So if you were to choose to add it to current project, then it would be like adding the media from over here. So this is what you have. Apart from this, if you have saved out pxd file previously, or you have a pxd file that is a native Pixlr Designer file, then you can open that out as well from over here. So I'm just going to go around and click on a start right here, and in my drive I'm just going to go around over here and search for designer. So I'm just going to go around over here, and there's a designer sample over here just like this. So I'm just going to go around this designer sample pxd file right here. As you can see, this is the native Pixlr Designer file. So I'm just going to go around and open it out, and you can see that it loaded up the content with all of the layers and everything that I can edit inside of Pixlr Designer. And that is how you can open out files that are stored on your computer inside of Pixlr Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.